and stole a phone from his godfather.
Oh, so then why are you not closing your door?
Because there wasn't a door.
All right, so then that sounds like a...
You don't have to. I know I've said it in the past that this is the worst case you've ever heard, but I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, this is the worst case you will ever hear. And the fact that there is something at the end that happens way too often is probably the worst part about this case. This sleazeball moves in with a woman with a special needs child, and what he does to him is disgusting. And his attitude and justifications for it is even worse. But don't worry, because everything you want to say...
Right here's where everything flips. This isn't just a messy relationship gone wrong. It's a calculated setup. A man moves in with a mother and her special needs child, and turns their trust into his weapon. The judge is about to peel back layers of excuses, and it's not going to be pretty.
With your attorney, did you understand it?
Sure.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, in cause number ending in 302, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we make an oral motion to amend the indictment to remove the defendant's middle name, Guadalupe. Additionally, Your Honor, we'll waive the habitual offender enhancement.
Okay. Elderly or disabled person with intentionally bodily injury, and the cause number ending in 304, you're charged with assault family household with a previous conviction. Both of those charges are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. Defense?
Yes.
State?
That's the plea, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, there be any such motion? Then in the cause number ending in 302, how do you plea? In the cause number ending in 304, how do you plea?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, with regard to both cases, they will offer into evidence case exhibit 1 with all attachments.
Okay.
All right, State, and have you had a chance to speak with the complainants?
We have, she was unable to make it today because she would like to give an impact statement, and she was asking if Your Honor would consider delaying sentence to maybe Monday so she can come in.
All right.
Thank you.
And let me ask you, is she able to Zoom in?
I can call and see if she can right now, actually.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Just for the record, I'm supposed to be starting trial Monday in 175th, so I'm probably not.
In each cause number, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I would like to proceed today, Your Honor. Actually, I spoke to the DA, not that one, but earlier. She's not here now. She said that she was not seeking to have the victim in that statement, that she told the mother that it wasn't going to happen. So that's what she told me. I thought I was kind of surprised. But I'd like to go forward today.
All right, anything you wish to say? So why did you do this?
The kid was doing anonymous stupid things, and I tried to go up on me.
I'm sorry, you said the kid was doing what?
Anonymous stupid things.
What does that mean, anonymous stupid things?
Touching his knees, watching him and his mom have stole a phone from his godfather.
Oh, so then why are you not closing your door?
Because there wasn't a door.
Listen closely. Anonymous, stupid things. That's his defense. He can't even form a clear thought about why he hurt a child. This is where Judge Boyd's patience ends. You can almost feel the silence in the courtroom. That moment before...
I didn't even get the chance to.
So, were you employed? So, this is what I find strange. You're complaining about him and you were not even employed. So how were you making money?
Job for her.
I'm sorry, what?
Helping her with the job she was doing. She's a home care provider.
Oh my gosh. Just have all these random people being home health care providers. So basically you were doing nothing. You decided to get in a relationship with someone who has a special needs child. You're living off of her. You're doing nothing. And the fact that you have zero patience with this child, and for them to put in the police report that you're a stepfather, I can't even believe they would use those terms with you. you don't have any patients, and somebody is letting you and her be a home healthcare provider. And how old are you?
I'm 43.
So you're doing anonymous things like not having employment. This is what the court will do. In cause number 2025 CR 005304, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Carlos Coronado or Andrea Graham. There's to be no residing in any household with minors, and there's to be no contact with minors. This will run concurrently with 2025 CR 005302. And cause number 2025 CR 005302, court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 005304. There's to be no contact with Carlos Coronado, Andrea Graham. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no contact with minors. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sure.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, because they're an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're off the record. Here's the reason. This is why I'm doing no contact and no residing in households with children. You know why I'm doing that? Because there is somebody who had a special needs child, decided that you were a good catch, and guess what? You don't have employment, you have no means of supporting yourself, and she's probably receiving funds for that child because that child is special needs, and y'all just living off that child. And Child Protective Service should be called because she shouldn't have custody of that child, because she's bringing somebody in her household who has prior convictions for affirmative family violence, and she thought you were a great catch. Somebody who has no job, previous convictions, and letting them live in the home, live off a special needs child. So that is why. So that will not be happening. Do you understand?
And there it is, the verdict and the moral lesson in one sweep. Judge Boyd isn't just sentencing a man. She's calling out an entire pattern of neglect and exploitation. No job, no empathy, living off a child's disability check, and now, no freedom.